Okay, so anyway, so I got to Ulta. I got these little um light and add volume under lash extensions. We're gonna see if I can get them done. So I got that. And then I of course got some regular lashes. And this is the dye I got. I got copper. I haven't used this before. It's Kara Color. So yeah, I got that in copper, and then I got it also in auburn, which is this color. So I have a wig I'm gonna do that with. And then I got Juvia's Place concealer in the color Magic. Well, what is the color? Just says 15. Guess it don't have a color. But there it is right there. Anyway, so I got that, and then I got some more Tarte, and I could swear I probably got this in the same color. This is a little bit darker. This one right here is Tan Deep Golden. So I got that one, and this one right here is Deep Sand. So we're going to try that today. And then I wanted to try this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So yeah, we're gonna try this. I couldn't find the one I wanted, so I was like, you know what? Let me just try this. But yeah. So let me smell it. Oh wow, it's thick too. So yeah, well, we're going to try that out. It says Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Cariosa, 62 fragrance, caffeine rich. Love it, flaunt it, you got it. By Sol de Janeiro. Well, whatever. So yeah, let me put that up. So guys, we're gonna try that. But let's get ready. Okay, I'm gonna turn my upper camera on. And then I'm gonna go across my nose with this. And right here in my forehead. Just a little bit. And I am done with that. And let's see. You would think at the amount of work I'm doing that I'm going out somewhere, but I'm not. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Mean Honey and Hustler Baby. And I am going to put that right here on my nose. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it right there. And I always like to use it right in the corner of my eyes to brighten up my eyes a little bit. So like that. And I gotta take down Christmas stuff, but girl, we taking our time with that. And I also got the spray from Beauty Style because he says his spray also allows you to swim without, it coming off. Not quite sure it does that unless you have to spray it. So I'm gonna have to test that theory out. But this particular one doesn't leave my face matte. It leaves a shine, and I hate that. So we're gonna put that much on. And I don't even think I'm with my fan. I don't even think I have my fan in here, so I'm just gonna use this. Yeah, so I needed to get a spray that is, I like the misters. I had one that was a mister. I think it was by Kat Von D. I love that I love that spray. But I still think it was transferable, especially if you sweat. So I really need something I can put on my face that's going to not let me sweat. I think Patrick Starr has something that he uses before he does his makeup, because he is from the LBGQ community. So yeah, I love his makeup style. So we just going, you see how I give him just a little bit of that shine? I'm not a shine girl. I'm a matte girl. I love to be matte. And this just gives me just too much shine. That's why I'm always going back in with more powder, is to try to get rid of the freaking shine. So maybe it was the one I chose. Not sure, but I love watching him as well. He is so funny and very out there. So I like that. Be the best you can be. It doesn't matter what people think. As long as, you're being true to yourself, that's all you got to worry about. So, I think this is about as matte as this is going to be. I'm going to have to find something else, because this one I am not the shimmer. If I don't have it on my eyes, I don't want my face shimmering. But anyway, this is the finished look. Yeah, I got on these little earrings. I done had them on since I don't know what. I got them from this little company, which I got to give them credit. They were so nice as to send them to me. If you checked out my previous video, you have all the information about these little earrings. But yeah, let's go downstairs and get some coffee and get ready for Bible study and for work. Yeah. Okay. Be right back, guys. Okay, we gotta get our vitamins and tea. So this is the vitamins I've been using right here. And they are pretty good. You take 2 of them. It is, the name of them are Oli. And this particular one is for skin. So, yeah. I have another multivitamin that I'm taking. But for the most part, yeah, it's this. And then let's get my, smoothie. I'm gonna drink my tea with my smoothie. Let's see. That's my little ball. Oh, there it is. So I do my smoothie for breakfast, and it's like a mixture of the things. I'm using this one right here. So I do 1 scoop of this in the morning. Don't worry about dirty dishes. Gotta wash those. But I use that, a scoop of that, and then I also do a scoop of this, and this is collagen. I saw something online about it, so it's 100% premium grass-fed collagen peptides. So Yeah, and it is Get Naked with Collagen. So naked difference from pasture-raised bovine hides from Europe.